Hello and welcome. I am Sai, and today I'm reviewing a beauty product, but it's more of a review of a beauty company. Now, this is a skincare line by Annmarie Gianni. I'm specifically reviewing the Clean Beauty Trial Kit. We're going to open this up in a second. I personally don't usually use beauty care products, and that's why it's my wife who is going to be using these, and then she's going to give you her opinion on them. But let's go ahead and get into some of these details. If you care about what goes on your skin, then you're going to want to know about Annmarie Gianni. So the Clean Beauty Trial comes with this Brighten Concentrated Boosting Elixir, and then you can see we have the Clean Beauty Trial itself here. We'll go ahead and open that up. And you can see the products it comes with. Here we have the Aloe Herb Cleanser, Herb Infused Facial Cream Cleanser. It's the 1 ounce, the Anti-Aging Serum, and the Anti-Aging Facial Oil. And like I said, right now I'm specifically reviewing the Clean Beauty Trial, but it's more of a review of the Annmarie skincare line. Annmarie has had her business since 2010, and I've known about it ever since then because I used to follow her and her husband on YouTube before 2010. I knew about them and I knew about what they cared about before they made their company. To give you an idea, they go beyond organic and they use the highest quality ingredients that you can find, and people are really crazy about these products. I want to just go ahead and switch to her website really quick and just show you a few things so you can understand why people are crazy about her products, and so you can also see the amount of reviews that she has on her products and how high those ratings are. And after we take a look at that, we'll go ahead and give these to my wife to try them out and have her report back to us before the end of this video. All right, so here we are on Annmarie Gianni's website, and you can see here this is the Clean Beauty Trial Kit offer, and you see the price there, and these are the products that you get. And you can see what's included here. You have the Aloe Herb Cleanser, you've got the Anti-Aging Serum and the Anti-Aging Facial Oil. Then you've got the Brighten Vitamin C with Seabuckthorn, which comes free with this kit, and your bonus free shipping when you go through the link that I have given you in the description and that you can also use by scanning the QR code. And if you just happen to be watching this video after this offer is over, please consider trying some of Annmarie's products anyway. You can see with Annmarie Skincare, you can experience natural, wildcrafted, effective skincare that transforms your skin within a week. And you can read a little bit more here, but I'll let you do that on your own if you want to. And you can see here they go beyond organic. And I wanted to just draw your attention to this here for the Aloe Herb Cleanser, 1,876 5-star reviews. And then you can see the others, 2,098 5-star reviews, 1,873 5-star reviews. And I just wanted to draw your attention to this. What is the refund policy? Your purchase comes with a money-back promise, no questions asked. Simply contact our customer care team for more details. And I wanted to draw your attention to this because it shows you that they are very confident in their products and the quality of them. And I still would recommend not getting them if you think you might want to get a refund. But if you just get them and you don't like them, then you know you have that option. Here is your Annmarie Clean Beauty Trial Kit that you are going to be the tester of.
Can't wait to try them.
So Chilla is going to do a demonstration of how she's been using these Annmarie products. Will you tell us a little bit about each one as you go through it?
Sure. I've tried to use these every day for 7 days. I got an Aloe Herb Cleanser with Herb Infused Facial Cream Cleanser, and then an Anti-Aging Serum, an Anti-Aging Facial Oil, this little guy, and a Brighten Concentrated Boosting Elixir. So I usually put my hair up and start with the cleansing, right? I like my face really nice and clean before I put anything on it. You can do this in the morning or in the evening. I make my face a little wet. I don't like to put products on it without a little bit of water. Then I will just use a couple of pumps of the Aloe Herb Cleanser from Annmarie. I will just put it all over my face. It doesn't foam up. This is more of an oily herbal cleanser. Not even that oily. It's just a nice, nourishing cleanser. Then I wash it all out.
Just curious, do you wash your face before?
No. This is my cleanser.
So that is your cleanser.
That is my cleanser. I don't wash the face at all. Now for this video, I haven't moved my makeup yet, so I'm just going to remove my makeup before I put these yummy oils and everything else on it, so I can leave it on my skin. It will soak it in and nurture it. I like to keep it a little bit wet. I don't dry my face. Then I use the anti-aging serum. Love this serum. It's very earthy tone. It's very yellow. It's kind of a yellowish substance. It's not too runny, so I don't have to rush to put it on. It won't go all over. It has a very medicinal fragrance to it. I like that. It's very easy to apply it. So I just massage it into my face, ears, behind the ears, neck, gently. I like to put extra lotions and any kind of facial product on my hands. It just feels so good. And it smells so good. Again, it has a very earthy tone. It's not too runny. Then I go to the anti-aging facial oil. Before I have that, I'm going to open this too and get a drop or two of that ready. So the facial oil, you don't have to use a lot. This goes a long way. I put 2-3 drops of the Brighten elixir. You cannot put the elixir on your face without diluting it, so make sure that you put the elixir either in the serum or in the oil. It really feels good putting it in the oil. So then I just put it all over my face, and now my face and neck just feels so refreshed and relaxed because it got this nice facial care, skincare routine from Annmarie. I really like it. It smells good. It feels clean. It doesn't have a heavy layer feeling. It soaks in right away. And again, it brightens the face up with the anti-aging serum, the oil, after the herbal cleanser with just a few drops, 2-3 drops, 1-2-3 drops of the Brighten concentrated elixir.
And do you do this every day then?
Yes, I do it in the morning usually. Sometimes I use the cleanser in the evening and then go to this routine in the morning, or sometimes I clean even in the morning and go to the whole routine in the morning. So once a day, I recommend it.
Comparing doing this to what your regime was before, when you weren't using the Annmarie products, how do you like this comparing from a complete honest perspective?
I like the consistency, the texture of the products, especially the serum is just feels so healing. It's so easy to spread all of her products around the face. As I said, it doesn't leave this heavy film feeling. I really like the fragrances, the herbal tone, the earthy tones. It's very grounding, but using the oil, it also feels very nurturing. Compared to other products, when it comes to facial skincare, especially if you use a whole product line, sometimes one or two things in that line, we feel like, oh, but I really like my old lotion or my old oil. The oil and the serum I really like with the brightening. I haven't tried. You see, I only use the serum and the oil. I usually use more of a facial cream. So I haven't tried any of her facial creams. So better or worse, I really like my facial cream. So I can't wait to try her facial cream. And then I can really tell you my opinion, because I use facial cream a lot of times, not as much as the oil and the serum. But the oil and the serum compared to the other oil and serums that I use, standing its ground right there with the top ones I have ever used. I highly recommend to buy a cream with it, because I kind of feel like, okay, now I'm ready for the cream. So it's as a basic facial routine, I really like it. And now I would like to try more of her products and see what the cream would feel like on top of this.
So that was our review of the Annmarie Clean Beauty Trial Kit. We hope you like this review of the Annmarie skincare products. As you know from before, this review is about this trial kit, and there's a special offer going on right now. But this review is more about Annmarie skincare products in general. We really feel good about them. We've known about her for a long time, and the quality of her products is at the top. You agree?
Yes, absolutely.
So if you did like this review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in the video to purchase, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.